Hello everyone, welcome back to my series of videos of me solving LeetCode problems. This problem is h-index. What is it about? Given an array of integers citation where citation I is the number of citations a researcher received for their indexed paper, return the researcher's h-index. What is the h-index? According to Wikipedia, it is defined as the maximum value of h such that the given researcher has published at least h papers that have been each cited at least h times. So what does that mean? Let me copy this. We know that the output is free, the h value is free. And why is it free? Let's look here. This researcher published one paper that was cited 3 times, one paper that was cited 0 times, one that was 6, one that was 1, one that was 5. So the h value is free because he published 3 papers that were cited at least 3 times. He published one paper that was cited 6 times, doesn't count, counts as 1. He published 3, 6, and 5, not this one. These are the ones that make the h value free. So he also published a paper that was cited 3 times. That doesn't count as an h value free because he just published a paper that was cited once, twice, almost 3 times. He didn't publish 5. It wasn't cited 5 times. So just to give you a context, if the array was just 6 and 5, the h value would have been 2 because there were 2 papers that were cited at least 2 times, and that's the value. So what's my strategy to find this? So let's look at this value over here. That's this array 3, 0, 6, 1, 5. Let's sort it in reverse order, so descending order. So 6, 5, 3, 1, 0. Okay, so now let's iterate. At this moment, we found a paper that was cited 6 times, but it was only once. So our best value is h equals 1. Iterate to the next one. 5, well, this paper was cited 5 times, but if we look back, we only have 2 papers. So best h is 2. So now we go to 3. Yeah, 3, cool. 3 was cited 3 times, and we have 3 papers that was cited 3 times. Nice. 3. And now we go to 1. Well, 1, we have a paper that was cited once, and we don't even need to look back because the h value here is already smaller than the h value that we got. So we can actually just scrape this and not even care at this moment. If this value is smaller than the h value, we can stop. So let's open VS Code, and it's 30615. 30615. So best h is minus infinite, and for index in citations, or actually index and val in enumerate. Enumerate citations. So we check our first val, the minimum of our first val, and the index that we're on. So the minimum of val and index in this case is the candidate. And if candidate is bigger than best h, think I need to do index plus 1 because of index 0. Then best age equals candidate. Return best age. So let's look at this. Our best age is 5. Well, it shouldn't be. Why is it 5? Oh yeah, I forgot about one detail. Remember when I said if we get here and it's smaller than our age value? Okay, if val is smaller than our best age, we break. Best age 1? Let's go. Candidate val is free, index is 0. Oh yeah, right. I forgot a very important part. Remember when I said I needed to sort it? Yeah. Citations dot sort reverse true. Candidate val is 6, index is 0. So best age is 1. Now the val is 5. And the best age is 2. Now val is free. And now we just reached the end. I think I also need to copy from mathif. So submit. Accepted. And this was my best submission so far. 43 milliseconds. It's as simple as this. Hope you guys have enjoyed it.